Rating Bangkok Street Food Part 3. Pag nagpunta kayo sa Bangkok, I think the best area talaga to try their street food is here sa Jod Fair. Kasi halos lahat andito na. So, another day, another food trip, guys, girls, and everyone in between. Sobrang daming unique street food to try. Grabe, hindi mo alam kung anong unahin mo. From Korean and Japanese street food to Thai staples like Pad Thai. Sobrang dami namin nakain dito, pero unahin natin tong strawberry na nasa steak. 10 out of 10, grabe. Isa sa mga pinaka-fave na natikman ko here. Next naman is the fish cakes, para nasa Korea lang. Ay, naku, napakasarap din. Isa yung vibe talaga yung nagdadala 9 out of 10. Food on the stick, ito parang yung version ng fish ball. Din silang parang yung beef balls in order ko din. And grabe, I was blown away with the flavors. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour. 1 million over 10. Favorite street food ko talaga dito is the roti. Banana with Nutella, 1 million over 10 always. Also order this crispy pancake. Ang cute kasi para na talaga siyang wafer. And wow, masarap din siya. 9 over 10. For refreshment, we ordered Tyne's favorite drink, the Blue Hawaii. And buti na lang talaga umorder kami nito dahil susunod namin susubukan is Bangkok's famous dancing shrimp. Yes, besties, buhay pa siya.